Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Silk Almond Coconut blend. Take a look at this. It is fortified, as you can see. And it has that in there. And as you can see, it has 0 sugar and does have calcium and all those other stuff. That's why it's fortified. Do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Taste-wise, it's not bad. It has a nice almond taste to it. It does have a stronger coconut taste than the other one I had before. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.